are going to learn about our topic number 105, Fopen and Fclose function in C language. So let's move forward. So file handling. So in the previous video we have talked about the mode used in the file handling. Now it's time to learn about the Fopen and Fclose function that is used in the file handling. So let's look at. So function in file handling. As we have seen that function has been categorized like this in C language of a file handling. So in this video we will learn about the Fopen and Fclose function. Then we will learn about the getC and putC function, then fscanf and fprintf function, then getW and putW function, then fseek and ftell function and rewind function. And we will also learn about the concept that we are just going to use in our program. Okay. So let's look at the Fopen and Fclose function and the syntax related to it. Let's look at Fopen and Fclose function. So here Fopen. So Fopen is a function under the file handling which says us that it creates a new file for the use. Means if you wanted to create your file, your new file, you have to use the Fopen function. Let's look at that how we will do this. Here is the syntax part. So this syntax part will clarify your thoughts that how to open a file. So you need to specify the Fopen. Fopen is actually a function under the file handling. In Fopen, you need to specify the file name in the double quotes, then comma. You have to use the comma here and the mode related to it. I have told you about the mode, that about the reading mode, about the writing mode, and about the adding something data to it mode. That is the appending mode. Okay. So this is how you can open a file in C language. Now here is the example in which I am actually, you can see here that I am using the function that is the Fopen function. So before that I am declaring a pointer fp of a file type. File type means I am defining a file pointer here. After defining a file pointer here, I am using that pointer for opening the file. So here I am using the concept of Fopen function. So Fopen function helps us to open a file or create a new file. So I am just creating it, and in that I have given the name of file, that is Amrit. So this file is going to contain the file name Amrit, comma, writing mode I have given. Mode is writing mode because we have uses W here. If we use R here, it means that is the reading mode. If we use small a here, it means appending mode. So I am just writing a file whose name is Amrit. So this is how you can open a file of a file pointer. Now let's look at the Fclose function. So for closing a file which has been opened for use, you need to use Fclose function. Okay, so let's look at the syntax of it. So here is the syntax. So you need to use the Fclose function, and in that you need to pass here the file pointer. Okay, so file pointer, I have told you about the file pointer. You can see here, this is a file pointer. This is a file pointer which is of a type. This pointer is a file pointer, we can say, because this is a pointer and its we can say its type is file. Okay, so you need to specify here the file pointer. So this is the syntax part. Now let's look at the examples of it. So here is the example. I have declared a pointer which is of a type file, and after that, with the help of that pointer, I am opening the file here with the file name something and the mode I can give it to, like reading mode, writing mode, or appending mode. So if we write small r, it means reading mode. If we write small w, it means writing mode, and if we write a, it means appending mode. Okay, then you have to use the file pointer here for closing the file. So you need to specify fclose function for closing the file, and you need to specify here the file pointer also, and fp is the file pointer. Here you can see fp is the file pointer. It means the file is going to be closed with this syntax. So this is the how C language code work in how to open and close a file. It means what the function that is used under the file handling, that is the fclose and fopen function in C language. So this was all about the file handling, that is the fopen and fclose function. So thanks for watching. धन्यवाद.